Hello. Hey, I'm not sure if I can make this go viral or so entertaining that it wins, but it's very important, and I'm just going to try and read this to you to get it all across. We can no longer wait for any government or organization to revamp the system, so this site bypasses all that, helping people today to behave in ethical ways that preserve Earth for the future. Co-ops.biz will be an alternative marketplace to undercut Wall Street's broken game with a place to raise money, escape public trading, or contribute to local teams doing good things. Like Uber disrupted the taxi industry, Co-ops.biz connects people with private resources they need to enable positive projects beyond purely profit pressures. It's a GoFundMe Kickstarter type of realm where users can explore our mission and offerings, but to participate, users must click 2 user agreements to gain access codes for posting or pledging. New companies raise money, investors find local teams to join, and too big to fail companies can go private, break apart into locally owned franchises. The 2 user agreements all members must commit to are A, create companies that will form co-op type of profit sharing organizations, and B, to adopt an inheritance cap policy, personally committing to leaving no more than $5 million to any one person or entity after you've died, instead redistributing any excess wealth while you're still alive. By promising to cap inheritance, folks reap only that which their living loved ones need and stop over-collecting resources or demanding maximal returns, chiseling our customers or shortchanging our employees. By running local, profit-sharing co-ops, we reward our devoted employees and provide a positive legacy of service for our communities. These companies may not be initially competitive, but its people may not require excess zeros in bank accounts, as the inheritance cap frees them with sensible limits. And conscientious customers may come to prefer spending on moral, ethical providers. Join me in this quest. If it wins the competition, it could advertise the concept and spread awareness of these ethical alternatives anyone can choose to adopt. Thanks.